Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video I will teach you how to log in your TikTok account using your mobile number. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to TikTok application in your mobile phone. Okay guys, here in your TikTok account, click me on the lower right side on your screen. And okay guys, here click sign up button. And okay guys, here in login in TikTok. So okay guys, in this tutorial I will teach you how to log in using your mobile number in your TikTok account. So okay guys, you all have to do is click the use phone, email or username. And okay guys, the pop-up will show, and if your phone number are inserted in your mobile phone, the phone number are appear here in the pop-up. So okay, if the phone number are not here in pop-up, you all have to do is click none of the above. But my phone are here in this pop-up window. So okay, I have to do is click the phone number, or you enter the phone number here. So after that, you all have to do is click send code, and the code are sent to your mobile number. And okay guys, your account are automatically logged into your TikTok application. So okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.